Hey buddy, what's up?
Hey, good.
How was the holiday?
Yeah, I watched the Republic Day parade in the morning in DD1.
Oh, the marching of the armed forces, it gives you the patriotic feeling, doesn't it?
Yes, very much, very much.
Ah, this was the day that constitution was adopted, isn't it?
Yeah, but
It
do you
has
know
been
how
it.
it was adopted? How dare you call me like that, man?
Ah, that's the truth,
How
you know.
dare you
That is
accuse
the
me?
truth.
What
You
the
can't
heck
take
is
just the
truth?
truth.
Not like this. Yeah, that is all fine, but should we have freedom of speech? Like, there's no condition on it because people are going to misuse it.
Yes, I agree with you, but we cannot have a complete freedom of speech in the sense that it should be governed by a few laws. Then it's fine, they can talk as much as they want. But
Okay.
keeping in mind that one man's pleasure should not be another man's pain.
So if somebody is abusing someone or maybe having allegations on, false allegation on him, then maybe we can deal with that with
Yeah,
some
through
law.
laws.
Yeah.
We should have laws for maybe, for example, file a defamation.
That's how it happened. Through debates in Constituent Assembly. They debated for a lot of time.
With all the pollution and the traffic, it's becoming difficult to live each day, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. Summers are becoming hotter, winters are becoming colder, global warming.
Life is chaotic,
Yeah,
each and every day of it.
That's true.
The other day I was watching this program of Baba Ranchod Das, and you know what? He says the world is going to come to an end. There'll be tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions in 2020. Can you imagine that? We just have 4 more years to live.
Do you really believe that?
Why shouldn't I?
Okay, there is a fundamental duty in our constitution saying every citizen has to promote scientific temper, and rational thinking. So if you start believing in things which are probably unscientific or pseudoscientific, then imagine this, the state of our nation. That too, people who are educated, who are educated in science. So you should probably ask an expert, in an area on that. So remember, every citizen is bound, duty bound by constitution to promote scientific temper and rational thinking. Every citizen of this country is entitled for constitutional rights as well as he is bound to perform constitutional duties.
It's time to look into a great constitution which is the largest in the world.
Republic Day is not just about celebrating the adoption of Indian Constitution. It is also about celebrating the diversity of our great nation and to acknowledge the sacrifice by our brave soldiers. Hey Macha, let's go for lunch.
Okay. Hey buddy, you're eating chapati?
Yeah.
I thought you people eat only rice and sambar.
No, I like chapatis. I'm a Tamilian, I know, but I like chapatis.
Oh, okay. Hey, I wanted to ask about Chennai. How's weather in Chennai, man?
It's very hot and humid, dude. Very hot. Blah 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 blah.
Blah 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 blah.
Blah 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 blah
Blah blah blah.
You're a good singer, man. Sing for the occasion.
Maharashtra Maza, Garja Maharashtra Maza.
Today is Republic Day, Anna.
Oh, right. Then one day,
Mataram. Vande Mataram.
Tickets, ಆಯ್ತಾ tickets, ticket.
ನಮ್ದಾಯ್ತು.
ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತಾ? Tickets.
My name is Vinay.
Hey, Raghu.
Are you from Africa somewhere?
No, I am a Kannadiga.
You're a Kannadiga? You look like an African.
Yeah, we are Siddhis. We are settled 400 years back in Karnataka.
Okay, that's really surprising.
My forefathers and me and everyone are born in Karnataka only.
Okay. Guys, celebrate the diversity of our country. Get to know more about our cultures. Rock. Happy.
Republic Day.